This is how Skírnismál poem begins. As Freyr looks from Odin's hliðskjálf, he sees a maiden beautiful with shining arms. This is Gerður in Gymisgarðar. Her name has something to do with a garden, and she lives happily in a garden, or a kind of, a place that bears her father's name, Gymir. Gymir is a thurs. So Gerður is a thurs maiden, þursamær. That indicates not being really evolved a man, as thurses are a rather backwards state of consciousness. She lives in abundance of material stuff. Gymir is rich. Gymisgarðar could be paradise, as paradisos means city walls, enclosure. That safety place out of which the monogod threw Adam and Eve. So they no longer were safely and ignorantly in their animal nature, but now knew the difference between right and wrong. This is an Icelandic artist's version of them, as now they have the skill in right and wrong. They can learn rules of a game and have fun. We are clever. Animals act according to their nature. They cannot act in another way. They live their paradisos, closure, not knowing right and wrong. They can learn games that man, so-called man, teaches them. But their nervous system does not allow much free will, contemplation, does not enable them to transcend. Animal means living creature. Anima is breath or soul. Every time we name them animals, we imply that they do have a soul, anima. We should know that they are all on their evolutionary path. We were there probably once upon a time. We should never destroy other creatures' evolutionary path by killing or by any other stupidity. But man has the responsibility to have free will. Free will is something very precious and something very, very much of a responsibility. This no longer in Eden, the garden of delight, thrown out because of disobedience, is it good or is it bad? I think we gain here the most precious attribute, skilningur, discrimination, the faculty of a human being, a term we love and praise, and culture. All about our prefrontal cortex, the reasoning and understanding, not only depending on our fight and flight response.